Hello and welcome to Climate Max. We are a climate resilient building materials representative in the upper Cumberland area, and we are happy to show you a little video today. We just constructed our latest fast frame steel building up in the Smithville area, and it's a garage and it's all steel frame, steel siding, steel roof, and it's all bolted and screwed together. And we thought we'd like to show you folks the difference between this and a traditional pole barn. So here we go. Okay, Fast Frame is a division of JD Metals that are located in East Tennessee and Limestone, Tennessee. They're a manufacturing plant, so all of the panels, all the metal is formed and fitted in the plant up in Limestone, and then it is shipped ready to assemble to the building site. So everything is precise, everything is accurate, there's no waste, there's no cutting or adjusting materials at the building site. So in this case it's 20 gauge steel, and it is completely formed through computer generated drawing plans, and it's cut and it's stacked into sections so that the product be delivered to the customer. And you can see here that there's trusses that are made with this. Everything you can imagine, walls, trusses, interior walls are ready to go. Of course, the building starts off with a concrete base. Here they are pouring this garage floor that's going to sit for a few days or a couple weeks before they get there. Here they are setting in a drain system into the garage floor, and all of this is very level, very accurate, and there are no bolts put in this concrete to anchor the fast frame assembly. So once the building start date has been established, then JD Metals Fast Frame goes ahead and loads the all the framing and materials, including nuts, bolts, screws, everything else. Loads it onto their own fleet of trucks and is coordinated with the builder and is delivered to the building site. It is then unloaded and stacked into position so that the contractor can go ahead and assemble the building in order, and it takes about 6 to 9 days for a building this size to be erected. So it's very quick, and it has to do with the fact that these are pre-made panels, and all the steel is with it. Now, contrary to wood sitting out in the environment, the steel can sit out in the open, has no effect on it. Insulation that you see here on top of this bundle may be put under shelter, but the rest of it can sit out, and there's no fear of any damage from the rain or snow, something like that. Once the crew arrives, they go ahead and square the slab, measuring it out to make sure that they've got the lines to go ahead and set the panels on, and they're ready to roll, putting up the panels here starting in the corner. As you can see, the contractor's gone ahead and added more sections to this. This is over a period of probably about an hour, and the walls are put down with temporary Tapcon screws, and then the building, once it's completed and all the walls are up, then the whole structure is squared again before they put in the big anchoring bolts. We wanted to mention that this garage was put up by Pettigo and Turner out of Silver Point, Tennessee. Once the walls are all up and even and bolted down, then the crew goes ahead and starts with the trusses. Of course, the trusses are already pre-made and they're there, and they go ahead and start to install the trusses. Now, while the trusses were being put in, another crew went ahead and installed the windows and doors. They also do the overhead doors for the garage section. Now you can see that they've gone ahead and they start with the roof. All that metal, all that roofing is provided by JD Metals, and it is part of the package that the customer purchases. Okay, and to kind of speed the video along here, this is one of the last days of construction, and you can see that the two-tone outside exterior paneling's been put on. Again, that's all measured and delivered through Fast Frame, and the guys are just about finished here. They're putting in the garage doors. Now, steel framing is not just for barns and garages. It is great for barn dominiums, and it's also great for any kind of home plan that you have. It's very sturdy. It is very comparable in price, and just about any design you come up with, the people at Fast Frame can go ahead and adapt the system to that. And we're very proud of all of the diversity of Fast Frame and what it can do for you. Again, interior walls, everything are available. And again, here's a couple more examples of some garages and outbuildings. If you live in the Cookeville, Sparta, McMinnville, Smithville area, down into Chattanooga, please give us a call, 615-397-0406. We'll be glad to work with you on new plans. If you already have your plans, we'll be glad to give you a free bid on your building. But I think you'll find the steel frame building to be much more versatile and a longer lasting building than the traditional wood product. Give us a call. Thank you.